Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, and welcome to our detailed breakdown of the new REV'IT Airwave pants for ladies. These are the ergonomically designed version for women specifically. There is a men's or a unisex version, and I want to emphasize the fact that they've designed the new Airwave to be a replacement for something like the rotor or the turbine, and it's built specifically for women's ergonomics. So you're going to have a different flare at the hip, you're going to have a different way that the inseam is styled. It's just a better overall fitting pair of pants designed with a lady in mind. Now, Kat is wearing the white version. And again, when you saw the Airwave video for the jacket that we did, we showed the white version as well as a complete set. No one does white. We think it's polarizing. We think it's unique to REV'IT, so we wanted to feature it. But note, there's plenty of motorcyclists out there that want a black pair of pants because they're not going to show the dirt as much, so check out the black version as well. One of the things I want to note with all REV'IT pants going forward for 2012 is that all of the knee armor is adjustable. So the beauty of this is Kat's wearing a size 38. She's 5'10", about 145 pounds. And the knee armor, which is Knox FlexForm Armor, CE rated, is going to have 3 positions in each one of the pants. So you'll be able to tune it to be in the right spot when you're on the bike. If we look at the pant, though, the Airwave is a summer weight pant. It's mesh, and it's got power shell in its construction in the impact areas. So you're really looking at the latter half of the spring, all of summer, and early fall because it's going to flow a ton of air to keep you cool when it's warm out. If we look at some of the other nuances of the pant, it's a snap and a slide design, so it's going to do a better job at staying together. YKK and spring-loaded snaps throughout. Notice the construction, and we have some different panels of reflectivity. Turn the face that way for me, Kat. You have hip adjustment right here on both sides. You have hip padding with temper foam that is removable, and you're going to have some reflectivity down across the bottom. You also have your cinch here in Velcro across the back. Turn backwards for me, Kat. Notice the high waist in the back. A Vislon YKK zipper, which is the most durable of the YKK zipper family. That's your connection zipper that will connect to any REV'IT jacket for ladies that has that short 7-inch zipper. Notice I did mention the high waist and the elastic across the top of the backside. And then notice the back of the leg. It's a full mesh construction all the way down. And notice that it's going to be in an area that's going to be less prone to an impact. So you're going to get that great flow of air even across the back of the knee, which is an area that tends to sweat. And if we can come in tight and look, you can see one of my favorite things about the Airwave pant, and it was inspired by the Tornado pant, is they've moved the zipper that goes about thigh high to the inside of the leg, so you've moved it away from the outside of the leg. And what we all know is that typically in a low slide type of crash, the outside or lateral side of your body on either side will be what comes in contact with the ground. So the inside of the leg is less prone to coming into that heavy impact zone. So you're going to, by moving that zipper, you now have an area that could be a weak point, which is a zipper that could explode, and you've taken it and you've moved it away from a high impact zone. Just a nice finishing touch. So remember, you can turn back around for me, Kat. Remember, the Airwave is the complement to the ladies' Airwave jacket. The adjustable knee armor and the new style of it are what I consider to be the standout features. And as you can see, they look great on Kat, and they're definitely going to be a range of sizes and some short sizes as well to accommodate different shapes of bodies that would need to fit into them. Let us know what you think of the Airwave in white or as a whole, as a pant. Leave us a comment on YouTube or on Facebook, share it. And remember, we review gear every week. We geek on the new stuff that's coming out. So follow us at RevZilla TV on YouTube if you'd like to stay up to date with all of the new stuff that we're rolling out. As always, shoot us a line. See us at RevZilla.com or 877-792-9455 if you have any questions. And these pants are going to be sub $200, so north of 39 bucks. We'll ship for free, we'll exchange for free. If you don't get the right size or you just don't like them, send it back. In new condition, we'll give you 100% back with no restock fees ever at RevZilla.com. And you can earn Teams of Cash to be applied to your next order on all orders over $100. Thanks for watching our detailed breakdown of the REV'IT Airwave pants for ladies, available at RevZilla.com/REV'IT. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.